Hello guys, and this is going to be a review of my custom built puzzle box. Here's a close-up view and a 360. And there you have it, this 360 is done. And let's get started with this epic puzzle box. And I have my brother here to test it out.
Hi.
And once he gets this regular, I'm gonna do a demonstration and we're gonna see how well he can get this out. So that's what we're doing, and it is really nice, and I've worked really hard on this for you guys today, and as you can see here, thank you. And let's get on with the actual opening. Here we go. Hello guys, and let's open it. So first thing you're gonna do is right here you're going to do this. And basically what you do, you pull this open and you're going to slide this way and pull this out, that little piece right there. Like that. And okay, like I said, we're going to pull this and this piece will come out. There we go, as you can see, and we're going to push it in here, like so. And then it's going to pop out, like that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to shake it a bit, and then boom, your quarters come out. But what we're going to do now is simple. You take the quarters out of this and you just simply push this back in, snaps in, and then if you want your prize to come out, you do simply one, it's almost there, a little bit more, and all the way. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure you subscribe and leave a
Like.
Thank you.
Bye.